Hello, and welcome to MetaDock. In this tutorial we will be learning about how to import and export workspaces. This is a handy feature that allows you to share workspaces amongst friends and take advantage of workspaces they may have made themselves. First, let's learn how to export a workspace. You have created a workspace you are happy with and would like to share it with a friend. In the MetaDock Settings tab, you will see the options to import or export a workspace. Because we would like to share or save this workspace outside of MetaDock, we will select Export Workspace. Select the workspace you would like to export, and a window will appear allowing you to select where you would like to export this workspace file. Find the location that suits you, enter a name for this workspace file, and then press Save. You can now navigate to where you saved the workspace file, and share it with friends, or store it for the future. Now, let's learn how to import a workspace. This time navigate to the Import a Workspace tab and select it. A window will appear where you can now locate the workspace file you are looking to import. Find, select, and press Open on the workspace file. Once imported, you can now find your new workspace in your Workspaces tab. You can customize this workspace like any other workspace, adding, changing, and resizing windows. If you would like to learn more about workspaces, please watch our dedicated tutorial on Workspaces. MetaDock, the app you didn't know you needed.